everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's fun video is going to be me dyeing my hair, not with semi-permanent hair or bleaching my hair, because your girl don't know how to do all that, because I'm gonna ruin my hair if I do that. Anyway, so for today's video we're gonna be messing around with the Overtone Pink for Brown Hair Color Conditioner. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, Overtone's website, like, almost everything is sold out. I'm pretty sure everyone's trying to get colored hair during quarantine right now. So I thought, why not just color our hair that's not really a hair dye, and, you know, just bring some life to my poor balayage hair. I got my hair done last August and I've been taking care of it really well, but I thought that was the perfect time to try some fun experiment color. I've actually used to have bright pink hair, short bright pink hair at one point when I was 18. That was years ago. So ever since then my hair has been growing longer throughout the years, so I haven't really experimented with hair color in quite some time. Okay, so before we get started, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys the box, because Overtone is just so positive and uplifting. Like, outside this box is plain and simple looking, right? And then inside, this is where the uplifting words come in. So it says, we almost put a mirror here, but you already know how good you look. Isn't that so sweet? And then in here it says, we love your before, but we can't wait to see your after. Show us with hashtag shower and tell. I'm super excited. I haven't colored my hair a non-standard color in so long, so this is very exciting. I'm very nervous because I paid a pretty penny for my hair to be professionally done, and so just putting like hair dye over this master artwork, oh my gosh, I'm so scared but excited at the same time. And in the box it did contain like a little sample packet of gloves. But all the reviews that I have read at like different YouTube videos, they recommend purchasing your own salon style gloves just because of how the material is very thin. So just a heads up in case you guys want to order it. I forgot the gloves, but I still wanted to dye my hair, so we're going to use this. Alright, so now we got our trusty hair dye shirt. You know, the one that you always wear whenever you dye your hair, so that way you don't stain your favorite shirts. The last time I dyed my hair was a red color, that's why it's all over the shirt. And then your alcohol of choice. Alright, vámonos, let's do this. Alright y'all, so now we got our warrior man bun. We're doing halfway. We're doing it in sections to make sure all my hair gets nice and coated to really deposit the color really nicely. And I wanted to read the little details for you. So this is vegan and cruelty free, which is great. This is also free of sulfates, parabens, and ammonia. Again, a lot of box hair dyes naturally have a lot of ammonia. If you look that up, it's like there's so much harsh ingredients. And so it also says suitable for all hair types, which is great. So it's a color conditioner, not necessarily a hair dye. So that means it's going to fade whenever I wash my hair. So I can't wait to see how it's going to look at first, and then how it's going to fade throughout like a couple of days later. Alright, time for the big reveal. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm super excited. I got the pink for brown hair because pink is my favorite color. I wanted to get the rose gold, but there's so many reviews of the rose gold, so I wanted to do something different. And then of course, literally almost every other hair color for brown hair was gone. So you can tell what people are doing during quarantine time. Alright, we don't have a brush, so since I'm the only one that's going to be using this, I'm going to be doing my whole entire hair. So let's do this. Ooh, already it has like a really nice thick consistency. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then we're just going to paint over. I'm pretty sure my hair is going to suck everything up because my hair is bleached, and when you have bleach hair, your hair is dry. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like so far. I feel like when I was 18, when I was first coloring, when I first dyed my hair bright pink, when I was 18, I went to Walgreens. I bought the splat hair dye, which we all know is not good for you, but I didn't know back then. And I remember being so excited about pink hair because it was something I've always wanted to have as my hair color. And it was just so cool. And this was before having bright colored hair was really popular. So all the little girls would be like, "Mommy, look, her hair, it's so pretty." And I just felt so special. So I think coloring your hair bright colors is a fun way to express yourself. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, okay, so let me show you. Oh yeah, my hair literally soaked it up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera. Oh man. Oh, my poor camera. The bleach part is already taking color nicely. And then the darker parts are my hair. I'm pretty sure it's going to have like a little bit of hint. So now I'm going to continue doing the rest of my hair. Of course, we got it in sections. So now I got a little mini warrior man bun going on. This is really fun. Okay, now we got this part done, as you guys can see. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what the outcome's gonna look like. I wanted to show you how much I've been using. My hair is long and thick, so I was really surprised that I still have a good amount to use for the top half of my hair, and I'm super excited for that. And you'll have to excuse me, I know I need to have a towel to clean all this. I can already hear my mom in the back of my head saying clean it up around this area. And I got some on my ear. So just a little tip for you guys, whenever you dye your hair, or like if you're planning on buying this product, use a little bit of petroleum jelly and then apply it to the areas where you don't want hair dye at, and it will just help prevent hair dye being over there, and it will just help make it a little bit more easier to clean. Okay, let's do the last part. I'm super excited. If this would come out. Oh man. Okay, it's out and we're ready for the final coloring. I am also going to say that this The bright colors are this product is messy itself. So good thing that I live with my boyfriend. It's just my boyfriend and I in our own apartment. And then otherwise I'll never hear the end of it from my mom. So make sure you prepare yourself to have towels all over. Okay, so now I have it all over, and you guys, look at that. I'm a complete mess all over, like, oh my god. So even if I had the salon professional gloves, this would still happen because that's just, I'm a messy person and it's just all over my arm. And so I wanted to show you guys that I did end up using the whole container again because my hair is long and thick. So if you have long thick hair, you're going to need I suggest 2 depending, but it's like $30 to $35 for one of these. That's why I suggest buying one of these and then also a sample size to go with it in case you need more. Alright, so now that we're done, let's see how long we wait. Y'all, it's all over the bottle. Sorry, the container. Oh my god. I'm super excited though. Okay, so we apply to the hair and then you wait 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm hot water. So that's exactly what we're going to do, and clean ourselves up, of course. Let me show you guys the back. Okay, so I just got done washing my hair and I just wanted to show you guys the bathtub. Like, oh my god. Literally looks like a pink bath bomb exploded. It's so pretty though. Okay everyone, so this is the final result. I freaking love it. My hair ended up turning into this magenta, fuchsia, hot pink, and I freaking love it. It's such a beautiful, vibrant color. Again, my favorite color is pink, so I'm 100% happy with the results. And on top of that, my hair feels so nice and healthy because it's a conditioner. So if you guys are wanting to try it, I highly recommend it. I give this product a 10 out of 10. Just a little caution, make sure you wear clothes that you don't mind that's completely pink stained. Make sure that you're prepared to like scrub the life out of your bathtub. Otherwise your mama's gonna yell at you. But other than that, it's just such a fun experiment. And I'm so happy with the result. And then as you can see on the darker parts of my hair, the fuchsia pink color did not pick up. It's more like a dark red, but I'm not mad, so I'm 100% happy with it. So if you guys have like naturally blonde, you got pre-bleached balayage, ombre, highlights, whatever, it's going to pick up well. But unfortunately, if you don't, it's not going to show up as vibrant as it does on me. Alright y'all, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fun videos. Oh, excuse me, I'm exposing myself here. Sorry about that, y'all. Video coming soon with new outfits. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video. I had so much fun. Till next time, bye. Mwah.